Social communication refers to the way information or ideas is shared among two or more individuals or group of individuals. Other definition of social communication is that a field of study that primarily explores the way information can be perceived, transmitted and understood, and the impact of these ways will have on a society. Types of social communication. Basically, there are two types of social communication, formal and informal. Formal social communication is when an organization or a firm organized to communicate their plans or ideas in a casual way. Here the subject is one, but more people talk about the same subject. Informal social communication. It is when a group of people join a conversation and pour their views out on any subject which they might like or be interested in sharing their information about. Thank you.
Components of social communication. There are four main points regarding components of social communication. First is social interaction. Second is social cognition. Third is pragmatics. And fourth is language processing.
3.
Social interaction consists of many points such as speech style and context, cultural influence, gender communication difference, code switching, rules for linguistic politeness. Second point, social cognition. It consists of same as many points. Theory of mind, which is the ability to control emotional states to self and others, understanding that others have knowledge, desires and emotion that may differ from one's own, ability to take the perspective of another and modify the language used accordingly. The second point, emotional competence, emotional regulation, emotional understanding, emotional expression. The third point is pragmatics. It consists of two, verbal communication and non-verbal communication. The fourth is language processing. It consists of spoken and written language comprehension, and it consists of spoken and written language expression. It also consists of morphology, which basically means the forming of words.
Potential problems in social communication include confusing diction, reasoning, giving too little or too much information, redundancy, speaking out of the box, and talking too slowly. The best way to communicate in a social conversation is to contribute one's opinions and experience while simultaneously listening to others' viewpoints. Normal communication and facial expression and voice tone are also important while speaking. There are many advantages of social communication, such as enjoying the conversation itself, sharing new information, views and thoughts, and learning and getting some fresh information.
Hello, I am Bhargab and today I am going to say a few lines about the topic, the art of listening. Listening is an important part of communication. While listening, we should keep the following points in our mind. Look at the person who is talking. Appear deeply interested. Ask questions. Don't interrupt between any conversations. Stick to speaker's subject.